Hi guys, Coco Tucker here. So just showing you the stuff I got back, and I traded with my baby sister this weekend, so let's go. Okay, so I got my monkey noodle back. Yep, got my monkey noodle back, my small one. Okay, now I'm gonna, yes, I got the big ones back too. Kind of like monkey noodles. Actually, monkey noodles kind of looked boring. They kind of are at first, but once you just start playing with them, they're really fun. So yeah. Okay. Got this textured unicorn monkey noodle back too. I think it's really nice. But yeah. There. Now I'm gonna bring in probably about 2 poppets and a dimple. So I'm gonna bring the 2 poppets in. Just the 1 poppet for now. This is my old pineapple poppet. Remember when I traded it? This is actually a really good poppet, like really good. Both of the sides are like really good, but yeah, both sides are really good. Okay, here we go. Now I got this one. This one's also pretty good. Has a nice popping sound. But yeah, guys, I'm really sorry if I haven't been on YouTube for a while. It's just really rough to make some videos ever since school started. So yeah, I'm really sorry about that, guys. It's because it's been really rough. So yeah. But anyways, let's move on. Okay. The final last one. Yes, I know, this is awesome. Oh my gosh. So I got this one too. So it was like the dimple I had. But this one's a unicorn one, which is way better, obviously. But yeah, I really like it. So anyways, yep. There. Well, sorry. Bye guys. Hope you liked the video. Go in the comments down below what you want me to do next, because I'm getting pretty bored. But I hope you liked all of the other videos that I posted, guys, because I know. Sorry I've been away again. Just really sorry. But yeah. Bye. Peace. Also, one more thing. Can you please like and subscribe down below, so when I get to 100 followers, or like, subscribe, whatever, I'm gonna do a face reveal. 200 subscribers, I'm gonna shave my whole head off. Okay, bye.